Hi there. Is your money working for you or against you? Every day, working professionals like you are faced with critical questions about their hard earned money. Do I invest it or pay off the loan? Do I fix the car or buy a new one? Do I start a side hustle or enter the stock market? Do I take a loan to finance school fees or downgrade the schools? And right now, being maintained, those questions feel even louder. Unfortunately, in trying to answer these essential questions, many people make well-intentioned choices that quietly sabotage their financial progress. Let's say you get a promotion with a salary increase, immediately buy a new car and move into a bigger house. Is that growth or a golden cage? Or you take a mortgage to buy a family home. Is that an asset or a lifelong liability? These are the kinds of decisions that can quietly shift your financial future for better or for worse. One misstep and what seemed like progress can quickly spiral into a financial nightmare. When it comes to cash flow, the distinction is simple but powerful. An asset either puts money in your pocket or increases your value and productivity. This is where we talk about income generating assets. Things like a business, a rental property, a stock portfolio, an intellectual property, a digital product, a skill that earns you money. And when it comes to well-being and productivity assets, it can equally increase your capacity to produce and grow. In essence, assets work for you. They give you much more than you put in. These are the exact questions we'll unpack and the kind of clarity you'll gain inside the upcoming Maximize Your Income Masterclass. In this 90-minute session, we'll take you through the practical strategy to create multiple streams of income strategically, sustainably, and with clarity, without spreading yourself too thin. You'll also learn how to leverage other people's money to accelerate your net worth with confidence. We'll equally take you through the building blocks for an ideal investment portfolio designed to align with your life and financial goals. I promise you, you live with so much more than you pay for. I believe by now you understand that every shilling you earn and every hour you work is a seed. You can either choose to plant it in something that grows and multiplies, or scatter it on things that fade, keeping you struggling in a cycle of survival and financial struggle. In this masterclass, I will teach you how to direct your money towards real assets that have the capability to help you build lasting wealth, so that you can finally move away from debt that drains your income without delivering any value. And the date is 14th of August, 2025, 7:30 p.m. East African time. This virtual training is just not about earning money. It's about maximizing your earning ability with clarity, confidence, and control. And you know what? Our early bird offer is ending today. I encourage you to click the link embedded on this video. Secure your spot for this very useful training. And when you register, you'll receive a free money mindset workbook, your bonus tool to help you rewire how you relate with money and begin to build the mindset that creates and sustains wealth. This is more than a class. It's a turning point that can change the trajectory of your financial life. So go ahead and click that link. Let's make the second half of this year the beginning of something very powerful. I look forward to see you inside the Maximize Your Income Masterclass.